Join Blue Silicon Infotech as a Python ML developer in Chennai. Design and build intelligent systems using Python and machine learning. Apply now and work with cutting-edge technologies. We are seeking a skilled Python ML developer to join our team in Chennai. The ideal candidate should have 4 to 7 years of experience with primary expertise in Python and machine learning. Secondary skills include researching and implementing suitable ML algorithms. As a Python ML developer, you'll be responsible for developing ML models, analyzing data, and improving overall efficiency in our company's operations. If you're a proactive team player with a passion for AI, apply for this opportunity. Key competencies: transform data science prototypes, design machine learning systems, research and implement appropriate ML algorithms and tools, develop machine learning applications according to requirements, select appropriate datasets and data representation methods, run machine learning tests and experiments, strong understanding of data structures, data modeling, and software architecture, in-depth knowledge of mathematics, probability, statistics, and algorithms, ability to write robust code in Python, Java, and R. Blue Silicon has achieved success with the support of our highly talented group of designers and developers who work dedicatedly towards your online success. Blue Silicon is a proud provider of infrastructure and cloud services for businesses of any kind of IT, finance, marketing, etc. Blue Silicon is powered by agility, consistency and customer success. To apply, please send an email to our@bsinfotech.com with the following details: total years of experience, current location, preferred location, current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period.
Virtual Recruitment Team, VRT, connects talented individuals with job opportunities from companies across India. We aim to provide a smooth and efficient recruitment process for both candidates and companies, without charging any fees.